for task 17, you're going to be looking at area problems in the real world. So example 1 says, below is a drawing of a wall that is to be covered with either wallpaper or paint. It is 8 feet high and 16 feet long. So now as I'm reading through the problem, what I'm also going to do is I'm going to go and label all of these measurements that it's telling me. So it said the wall is 8 feet high and 16 feet long. So I'm going to start there. Next thing, it says the window, mirror, and fireplace will not be painted or papered. So the window, the mirror, and the fireplace here are not going to be covered in paint. So all of the rest of that wall is what we're looking at to find the area of. So it says the window measures 1.5 feet by 14 feet. The fireplace is 5 feet wide and 3 feet high. So we're going to write 5 feet here and 3 feet high. And lastly, the mirror above the fireplace is 4 feet by 2 feet. So now the first question I'm going to help you with, and then you're going to work through the rest, says how many square feet of wallpaper is needed to cover the wall. So again, since it's asking for square feet, that's my hint that this is asking for the area. So to find the area that's going to be wallpapered, remember we're not covering the window, the mirror, or the fireplace. We need to come up with a plan. So our plan, and this is a really good idea to do for a lot of these composite figures that you're going to have to find the area of. Our plan is that we're going to take the entire wall, so that 16 by 8 feet wall, and then we are going to subtract the area of the window, the area of the fireplace, and the area of the mirror. So we have to find the area of all of those things. So let's start with the wall. The good thing about this problem is all of these shapes are rectangles, so we can use the same formula. So the wall, to find the area, the length and width was 16 feet by 8 feet. So we're just simply going to take 16 times 8, which we could do the work off to the side. That equals 128 square feet. And then now let's find the area of those other 3 things that are not getting wallpapered. So the window, remember that area was, the length and width was 14 times 1.5. So again, we can do that multiplication off to the side. We get 21 square feet. The mirror, four times 2, it's easy, it's just 8 square feet, and the fireplace. So the fireplace was 5 by 3. Again, that's an easy one. 5 times 3 is 15 square feet. Okay, so I found all my areas. Now I actually have to figure out the area of just the space that I'm looking for. So again, if we look back at our plan was to take the area of that entire wall and subtract the other areas. So I'm going to show that over here. So we're taking the entire area, which was 128. We're going to subtract the area of the window, which was 21 square feet, the mirror, which was 8, and the fireplace, which was 15. So if I do all of that, that gives me the area to be wallpapered. Again, we can do this work off to the side. So after doing all of that work, we get an area of 84 square feet. Again, this is a real world situation, so let's type our answer in a sentence. So we're going to say, you will need 84 square feet of wallpaper to cover the wall. And there's our answer. Can't really fit it anywhere because it took up too much space here. So that is our answer. Okay, so now you're going to still use the same information to now work through the other problems for example 1, and then you'll work through some other problems. All right.